Hello all. So here I am finally, uh, my first video on my channel Motochino. So I am soloing it today. No Vinay with me, so it's all just me. So hoping to answer quite a few questions today and a general walk around of the accessories that we got that you might have seen on the other video. So let's go around the bike. I'll do a walk around because quite a few of you wanted to see how the green Honda CB350 looks like with the accessories installed, including the brown split seat. So let's have a look. Okay, so here he is. So this is my green Honda CB350 with the green split seat installed. Let me give you a complete look around so that you can stop the video and look at the bike in any frame that you want. Hopefully GoPro is doing a good job of capturing the bike in all its glory. So we go around the side. Here it is from the exhaust side, and yeah, I think this is the perfect combination of this bike in my opinion, certainly, which is why I bought it. So let me give you a brief rundown of the different accessories and what's my opinion of them. So the split seat, as we have said, it's very amazingly done. So let me actually show it to you from the top. Quite wide angle, I think certainly more wide angle than the stock seat, and this has got a better cushioning, as I said in one of my comments, and let me explain why I think that is. So if you look at the stock seat, it's just one continuous profile, right? Whereas with the split seat, the front seat actually ends here and the back seat begins. It's a physical seat which actually terminates here. And what that does is, when I sit here, because it ends here, it's actually sort of, scientifically if you look at it, it actually sort of pushing back against me. So the cushioning which I'm actually getting is much bigger than if this seat were to be flush throughout. In the stock seat, when I used to sit, because there is no resistance here because of the fact that the seat is ending, I used to sink down much further in the seat, and because of my weight, I would actually start feeling the frame, and that's what made it a bit more, I don't want to use the word uncomfortable, but this seat is a bit better because of this reason. So let me just put it this way. So that's one thing. The pillion seat is actually much longer, and if you see here, this grab rail is slightly taller than the profile of the seat, whereas if I remember correctly, with the non-split seat, the grab rail actually used to end here, right? Because of this, and I think it's slightly rear set as well because of this gap here, and that's why my wife, when she actually sat behind me yesterday, she felt quite comfortable because this was actually arresting her slide backwards, and she was also able to grab these rails much better. So I think overall these split seats are very well done, definitely. So here is a look from the back. Okay, let's come over to the crash guards now. So again, if you look at the crash guards, very well done, solid. They feel solid. And as you would have seen in our last video with Vinay, there are two slots here with screws. This opens up all sorts of possibilities for the accessories makers. I think primary among which is the fog lights, which can be put here, but the possibilities are endless. You can even put some sort of a bottle holder to, keep your water bottle when you ride. What else? You could, I don't know, you could possibly even put some sort of highway pegs, so that when you're riding on the highway, you have some sort of collapsible highway pegs which you take outward and you rest your feet on when you're on the long rides. All sorts of possibilities. I really don't get this crash guard much. It's a very weird design. I'm not sure of the utility of it, but I went ahead and got it anyway. So let's see. The fork gaiters are very well done. There is nothing more to this than the fact that they just stop any fine dust from getting into the shock absorbers. What else can I show you guys? What else? Okay. I suppose the only one accessory that none of us have seen yet is the side stand. So they have a side stand accessory. So this is the stock one. There is also a side stand accessory. I am not really sure how different it is to this one or what extra it does. I am as curious as anybody else to see how or what different that does compared to this. So we shall see. What else? I suppose that is it actually. So again, this is how the crash guard looks from the side. That's how the engine protector guard thingy looks from the side. And that's it. Not much else really. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to follow up this video with another list of quirky things that I like about this CB350. So that's going to be a bit of an interesting video, I hope. So wait for that one then. So with this, I sign off. Ciao.